Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to continue with the same accounting topic, accounting terms. Okay. So in the previous two videos, I have explained few accounting terms. Here, I'm going to explain few more accounting terms. Okay. The first term which I'm going to explain now, goods. What are goods? Goods are the things which company purchases and sells. In simple, goods are the things which company is dealing with. For example, if company is manufacturing soft toys, then those toys are called goods. To manufacture toys, company needs some raw materials like sponge, clothes, plastic eyes. So those are also called goods. Okay, I hope it is clear. So we'll go to the next term, drawings. Drawings are the money or goods withdrawn by the owner from his company for personal use. Okay, I'll repeat. Drawings are the money or goods taken by the owner from his business for his personal use. Okay, think that you are a owner of chocolate manufacturing company and you have got some emergency. You want 10,000 amount of cash immediately. You take this 10,000 cash from your company, from your business for your personal use. So that 10,000 what you have taken from your business for personal use is considered as drawings, and this 10,000 should be written in company's books as drawings, as the amount taken by the owner for his personal use. So drawings, it can be money or goods. If owner takes goods of the company, chocolates, for his personal use, then the chocolate, some 10 box of chocolate, that worth for 5,000. So this 5,000 should also be recorded in the company's books of account as drawings. Okay. Expenses. Expenses are the money spent by the company or cost incurred by the company to generate revenue or to generate income. Okay, have written some list of expenses here. We'll see. Salary. Salary is an expense for a company. Salary is the amount paid by the company to its employees. Okay, it's a monthly payment. Wages. Wages is also a money paid by the company to its workers. Okay, so here the meaning looks similar, but the difference is that salary is the amount paid to the employees who work in the office, whereas the wages is the amount paid to the workers who work in the production department or who work in the manufacturing department. Okay, so salary is for office employees, wages is for employees, workers who work in the manufacturing department. So the next expense, transportation. So when company buy raw materials from supplier, company has to incur some cost or company has to spend money on transportation. Company has to buy those raw materials from suppliers, go down to our godown, company's warehouse or company's godown. So the money spent for the transportation is transportation expense, and it's a expense for a company. And training. If company is providing training to the new employees, for the new joinees, then the company has to spend some amount for training. Next, electricity charges, water cost, advertising. If company is advertising its products in the various media, like company can advertise their products in the newspaper, or it can advertise its products in the TV channels or radio. So the company, what company spends on advertising its product is called advertising expenses. And insurance. So when we think about a company, we see vehicles. So company wants vehicles to supply its goods to the retailers, or company wants vehicles to buy raw materials from the supplier. So the company has to pay this vehicle's insurance premium. So the insurance premium what company pays regularly is an expense for the company. The interest, if company has taken loan from a bank, then company has to pay interest regularly. So the interest paid by the company to the bank is an expense. Rent, if company is running their business in a rented building, then company has to pay every month rent. So the rent is an expense for a company. So the next term is expenditure. There are two kinds of expenditure: capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. What is capital expenditure? Capital expenditure means the money spent by the company on the purchase of fixed assets. Okay, for example, company has purchased a new building for 30 lakh. Okay, so the 30 lakh, what the amount company has spent on purchase of building, that expense should be treated as capital expenditure in accounting. Okay, another example, company has purchased a machine for 6 lakh. So the 6 lakh amount what the company has spent on purchase of machine should also be considered as capital expenditure. So capital expenditure means money spent by the company on the purchase of fixed assets. Building, machinery, furniture, land, all these are long-term assets or fixed assets. Okay, and the capital expenditure, this is not regular in nature. This is one-time expenses or some-time expenses. Okay, company will not buy building regularly. A company will not buy machinery frequently. The capital expenditure is a one-time or some-time expenditure. Whereas the revenue expenditure, it's regular in nature. Okay, salary, wages, transportation, all these are revenue expenditure. Salary is a monthly payment to the employees. Wages is also monthly payment, or sometimes wages is paid, the payment is done weekly. Weekly wages will be given to the workers. Transportation, training, electricity, water, all these are regular in nature. Okay, so revenue expenditure means regular expenses, or the expenses, the money spent by the company frequently. Some expenses are monthly expenses, or some expenses can be weekly expenses, or even daily expenses. The same way, like expenditure, we have two kinds of income: capital income and revenue income. Okay, capital income means money received by the company on the sale of fixed asset. For example, here when building is purchased, that should be treated as capital expenditure. When company sell building, then that should be treated as capital income. When company sell its building, for example, company has sold a building for 20 lakh. So the 20 lakh, the amount what the company has received on sale of old building, this amount or this income should be treated as capital income. Okay, and this capital income, it's one time income or it's a sometime income. Company will not sell its building regularly. A company will not sell its machines frequently or regularly. Okay, the next term, revenue. Revenue income, they are regular in nature. Okay, for example, interest received. Company has invested their money in a bank. From a bank, company receives interest on their deposit. So the interest which is regular in nature. Company receives interest monthly or it can receive quarterly, once in 3 months. And commission received. Rent received. Rent paid will be treated as revenue expenditure, whereas the rent received becomes revenue income. Okay, I hope these are clear. Capital and revenue income and expenditure, it's clear for you. So in the next video, I am going to come up with another accounting topic. Okay, thank you.
Okay,